Hey everyone, welcome back to the Food Locker. Today we are making chicken and celery stir-fry. This is one of my favorite foods. This is an economical dish for dinner. Celery is affordable and we can save it for a long time. Also, it's quick, healthy, and perfectly matched with rice. I will walk you through step by step how to get this tasty and delicious dish. Let's get started. First, we will prepare the garlic. About 4 to 5 cloves will be enough. Next, we will use 2 chilies. You can adjust the amount depends on how spicy you like it. Finely chop them and set aside. Now let's move on to one of the main ingredients of this dish, celery. This time, I will show you how to make fresh, crunchy, moist, and sweet celery. Trim off the ends first. Then use a knife to gently lift the outer layer of the celery. And peel away the strings by hand. Celery has quite a lot of tough fibers on the surface. And if you don't remove them before cooking, the texture can be unpleasant and stringy. If you prefer, you can also use a vegetable peeler to help. Once the strings are removed, cut the celery into pieces. This time, I will cut them against the grain because it looks nicer when stir-fried. And cutting against the grain reduces the stringy texture of the celery, making it crunchier, but you can cut them however you like. Finally, give the celery a quick rinse and set aside. Now for the second star of the dish, chicken thighs. First, make sure the chicken thighs are dry on the surface. I like to trim off any excess fat to make it a bit healthier and less oily when cooked. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Next, marinate the chicken. For the marinade, we will use soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking ring, sugar, cornstarch, and a little water. Mix everything well first. Then add a bit of sesame oil and mix again. Then set aside. Now we are ready to cook. Heat a frying pan over medium heat. Once the pan is slightly hot, add some oil and swirl it around to coat the surface evenly. Add the chicken thighs first. Spread them out in a single layer and don't move them. Let them sear for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the bottom turns golden brown, flip them over and cook for another minute. Then give them a quick stir fry. When the chicken is about 70 to 80% cooked through, remove it from the pan and set aside. Add a little more oil to the pan. Then add the garlic and chilies to cold oil and cook on lower heat, so it becomes fragrant without burning. Stir fry for about 30 seconds, until you can smell the fragrant aroma of the garlic. Then add the celery and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. You can taste a piece. If it is tender enough for you, it's ready. Finally, return the chicken to the pan. Stir everything together until well combined. And then it's ready to serve. The chicken and celery are fully coated in sauce. The vegetables are still bright and slightly crunchy, and the chicken is juicy and tender. They look amazing and taste even better. Try this recipe at home. I promise it will be a crowd favorite. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.